Lot number 3453B as in boy. Video dates February 26, 2019. Here we have ourselves a Tigershark 639/640 complete engine. Came out of a running 1996 Tigershark Monte Carlo 640. Going to do an engine compression test. We're going to start with the PTO side first. $165 pounds of compression, PTO side. This engine will be sold just as you see it. Stator, flywheel, starter, basically long block engine. Magneto side. $165 on the mag side. As you can tell, it's clean, freshwater, jet ski engine. Pistons look good, crank also looks good. The oil pump is not included. That will be for sale separately if you would like to buy that. This engine is for sale at Martos Motorsports, 218-844-4968, located in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. Thanks for stopping by.